In today's tutorial, I will introduce you to the head command in Linux, a powerful tool for quickly accessing the beginning or specific sections of a file's content. Here we will cover various examples, including displaying the first 10 lines or a custom number of lines, specifying the number of bytes, accessing the beginning of multiple files, redirecting output, displaying lines within a specific range, and piping with other commands. So let's dive in and explore the versatility of the head command. The head command prints the first few lines of a file. You can also print the first specific lines or bytes from a file using the head command in Linux. It can be handy if your motive is just to check the content or use a particular part. Thus, the head command can make the handling of contents more efficient. The syntax for the head command is simple, and that is head followed by option and file. For more information about this command, type in the terminal man head. This is the manual page for the head command, and all the information about this command are available here. To exit this page, type Q. By default, the head command prints the first 10 lines of a text file on the terminal. Let's print first 10 lines of a text file named numbers.txt. And on the terminal, you can see all the contents of numbers.txt file. Now, if I run the command head numbers.txt and hit enter, then you can see the first 10 lines of the numbers.txt file have been printed by using the head command. Like the previous one, you can print a specific number of lines of a text file on your terminal using the head command. Here I will print the first 7 lines of the text file numbers.txt. To do so, I am typing head -in7 numbers.txt. Hit enter and you can see the first 7 lines of the numbers.txt file have been printed. Again, if you use the command head -7 numbers.txt, you will get the same output. You can also print the first few specific bytes of contents of a text file on your terminal using the head command with the -c option and number of bytes as its argument. For example, let's print the first 100 bytes of a text file named file1.txt. And now on the terminal, you can see the whole content of file1.txt. To display first 100 bytes, I am typing head -c for character 100 for 100 bytes and then the file name file1.txt. So if I hit enter now, then you can see the first 100 bytes of the file1.txt are displayed on the terminal. Again, you can display the first few lines of multiple files using the head command in Linux. Here I will print the first 10 lines of 2 files named file1 and file2.txt. So I am typing head file1.txt and file2.txt. Now hitting enter. Now look at the terminal. You can see the first 10 lines from 2 different files have been displayed one by one using the head command. Do you know? You can redirect the first few lines of one or more files to another file using the head command. Let's see how. Here I will redirect the first 3 lines of 2 text files named file1 and file2.txt. So I am typing head -in3 or you can use -3 file1.txt file2.txt double forward angle bracket for redirection and then the new file name. So this command will redirect the first 3 lines of these 2 files to combined.txt file. Hit enter. Now to view the contents of combined.txt, type cat combined.txt. Hit enter and see the first 3 lines of both files have been redirected to combined.txt file by using the head command. You can also display lines of a specific line number range by combining the head and tail commands. Suppose you want to display the contents from line 9 to line 11 of the numbers.txt file. To do the same, you can type head -11 or you can use -in11 numbers.txt vertical bar tail -3 or -in3. This command will extract the first 11 lines from the numbers.txt file using the head command and then we'll select the last 3 lines from that subset using the tail command. So I am hitting enter. See, contents from line 9 to line 11 of the numbers.txt file have been printed. Till now, I have illustrated the basic applications of the head command. Now I will use the concept of piping and combine multiple commands with the head command. Here I will print the 15 highest disk space using processes of my home directory using the head command. So type du for disk usage, -h for human readable, vertical bar, sort, -hr for human readable sorting, then again vertical bar, head -15. Hit enter. Look, the 15 highest disk space user processes of my home directory are displayed on the terminal by using the head command and other essential commands. To conclude, till now I have tried to present you with the applications and usefulness of the head command in Linux. Hope that you will be able to explore more things with the help of these practical examples and head in the right direction to be a power user of Linux.